Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about IDBI Bank recruitment of special cadre officer notification for financial year 2020-21. IDBI Bank has collaborated with Life Insurance Corporation of India for 51% shareholder. So now let's see the number of vacancies they announced for different types of grades. DGM means Digital General Manager, AGM means Assistant General Manager, Manager and Assistant Manager. So they will come under categories like DGM will come under grade D, AGM will come under grade C, Manager will come under grade B, Assistant Manager will come under grade A. So totally 134 vacancies they released. So these 134 vacancies are divided as 11 for group D, 52 for grade C, 62 for grade B, 9 for grade A. So total 134 vacancies has released. So this 134 is divided into 63 for general, 19 for SC, 7 for ST, 33 for OBC. Now let's see what are the criteria we have, procedures have to follow while applying these grade posts. First, nationality and citizenship. The person who is going to apply for the post have to be a citizen of India or a subject of Nepal or a subject of Bhutan or a Tibetan refugee. And next, we can see the age and education qualification and experience for various kinds of post. First, we will see for digital banking, they need Assistant General Manager and Manager. So obviously, Assistant General Manager will come under grade C and Manager level of post will come under grade B. So for Assistant General Manager, age should be between 28 to 40. For Manager, 25 to 35 years. Their age should be lie between 25 to 35 years. So next we are going to see about education qualification. So for Assistant General Manager, their education qualification should be BE, BTech in these kind of streams like telecommunication, computer science, electrical and electronic information technology or electronics and communication. So they have to completed the degree under this kind of stream, only eligible for applying this kind of post, digital banking, and they should have a minimum 7 years of experience in this domain under any scheduled commercial bank. Their job profile is dealing with techno-functional aspects of digital banking products and supporting IT applications in the internet and mobile banking applications, managing digital banking solutions. So for manager, they need to manage all these kind of works. For manager, their experience should be minimum 4 years of experience in under any scheduled commercial bank with the technology domain knowledge. Next, card products and prepaid instrumentation and products. They need manager for that. Their age should be between 25 to 35 years and their age qualification should be BE or BTech in any stream. And their experience should be minimum 4 years of experience in any scheduled bank domain knowledge with the related card industry. Since it is a card product domain, they should have card industry domain knowledge. Their job profile is they should maintain a payment business product and they should interact with various agencies such as Visa, MasterCard and NPCI. So they should deal with all these kind of agencies for card products. And ATM and credit card, they need a manager. Their age between 25 to 35 years. Their education qualification should be any BE, BTech in any stream. Their experience should be minimum 4 years of experience in the same bank and ATM industry domain. And next is Pure Tech Innovation midst of IT and digital ranking. So they need assistant general manager and manager. For assistant general manager, their age should be between 28 to 40 years, and for manager, their age should be between 25 to 35 years. Their age qualification for assistant general manager is any BE BTech in telecommunication, computer science, electronics and electrical, or information technology and electronics and communication. They should have any BE BTech degree under these streams. For assistant general manager, they need 7 years of experience in the domain like digital channels. So they should have a minimum 7 years of experience for assistant general manager, and for manager they need 4 years of experience in the same domain. And next, for assistant general manager, their job profile is they have to deal with techno-functional aspects of various digital banking products and supporting IT appliances. They have to manage various projects and drive the team for time-bound completion. And the next one is security. For security post, they need deputy general manager and manager. Their age limit should be lie between 35 to 40 years for deputy general manager, and for manager their age should be lie between 25 to 35 years. And their education qualification will be any degree with a minimum percentage of 55%. They have to hold a degree. They can apply for the security post. What are the job profile for the security post is they have to manage and initialize the administrative and office work around the bank, and they need to identify and manage the other nature in addition to security and safety aspects. And next one is fraud risk management and fraud list. So they need a manager and they need a manager. Their age should be light between 25 to 35 years, and their education qualification should be BCom, BSc in computer science, BBA in banking and finance, and also they need a minimum 4 years of experience in any scheduled commercial bank or any fintech companies or management consultancy firm. They have this kind of domain experience for minimum at least 4 years. Their job profile is monitoring the fraud trends, investigation and emerging threats, and quickly recovering the fraud assets, and review existing control and environment and assets efforts against the fraud schemes. They have to identify all the frauds and all the fraud techniques and all the fraud things will coming under banking products. They have to manage that risk management. So that's it. And next is conventional media. They need a deputy general manager. Their age should be like between 35 to 45 years. They should have any post degree in communications with minimum 60% of mark, and their job profile is experienced corporate communication professional with the ability to set up the outreach of print, digital and outlines of brand building. And next one is social digital media, deputy general manager post. Their age should be like between 35 to 45 years, and the education qualification for them is PG in any communication stream, and they should have minimum 10 years of experience in media and digital, social and digital media. They should have minimum 10 years of experience. So their job profile is they should have the ability to run advertising campaigns and drive engagement by creating high quality digital original content. And next one is ATM. For ATM, they need a deputy general manager. They need their age should be lie between 35 to 45 years. They should have minimum 10 years of experience in banking in and out experience they need. Their job profile is they have to manage IT projects related to ATM, POS and cards and switched claims including bunch notes, accepts on etc. POS is nothing but point on sale. The card which we are using to swipe in shops, maybe either debit card or debit card. And next one is for Go Banking, they need a deputy general manager. Their age should be lie between 35 to 45 years. They should have minimum 10 years of experience in interbanking and of which 6 years in IT projects related to core banking domain. We can see the age relaxation for different categories. For SC and ST, their age should be minimum. They have an age relaxation up to 5 years. And for OBC category, for non-creamy layer, they have age relaxation up to 3 years. Person with disabilities, they have a minimum age relaxation up to 10 years. And next one is one person can apply for one post only. This is the basic criteria for applying the vacancies. And next one is we can see the selection procedure. For selection for grade A, B, C, D, all have to go under preliminary screening based on eligibility criteria, and they have only the candidates who are all shortlisted from preliminary screening, they will be called for group interview. And now we can see the application fees for applying the post through online. For SC, ST, PWT category applicant can their application fee is rupees 150, and for all other categories should pay 700. This 700 included for application fee plus intimation charge. And next is we can pay the mode of payment. We can pay the application fee through online or credit card or debit card or any online banking or through challan. We can pay in any kind of mode. And next step is how to apply. Candidates have to visit www.idbibank.in website, and you have to select careers current opening tab. In that tab you have to register with your email ID and contact number, and you have to fill all the required columns, and you have to finally say you have to select save and first and final submit. PDF generated application form will be generated for you. You have to save it for your further references. That's all about this notification of IDBI Bank. For your further verification or for your further details, you need to check in www.idbibank.in, or you can see in the description box. You have a link in that regarding this notification. Thank you.